What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the Xenon headlight bulb in my E92. So jack up the car, and if you feel like it, you can change the bulb without removing the tire, but working around it is a pain, so I'm going to take it off. The plastic fender liner comes out with a handful of 8mm screws and one 10mm plastic nut towards the inside of the fender well. The bulb we're after is behind this black plastic cover that's held in by 5 T20 screws.
No clips here, you can leave those in. You just push in, inside, and out. Springs out. It was easier to disconnect it while it was still plugged in. Just wiggle it back. Don't touch the glass. Well, this one's really cooked. It's cracked. Wow. Don't touch the filament. I mean the glass. Get it snug in there. Snug as a bug. There you go. Tuck it in, plug it in. That's nice. Tabs are in. We're good.
Now's a good time to go check and make sure it works, and sure enough, it's all good. The bulb I used to replace it is this D1S C1 by Philips. I got it on Rock Auto for about 86 Canadian dollars. You can get a cheaper bulb, but I really think Philips does the best for this kind of stuff.
Go.
Don't over tighten these torque screws, they only bite into plastic.
That's all, folks.
On the passenger side, it's the same deal. Pull down the fender liner, get to the back of the headlight. You could even try turning in the tire and getting it done this way. I took the tire off just for ease of demonstration. And for this reason, I'd recommend changing out both your headlights at the same time. The bulb manufacturers will tell you the same thing, but essentially the one on the left is the old one and the one on the right is the new one. You can see a little brighter, a little cleaner color. So change them both and they'll look equal and they'll burn out at the same time next time.